Random Name Picker is an interactive tool that can be used to raise the energy of the class. It uses the spin the wheel mechanics, where you can input the names or keywords that you would like to spin. It also allows customization of the designs, theme, and colors, which can enhance the vibe of the classroom. Its usefulness ranges from casual activities to graded ones, such as icebreakers or oral recitations. It is also easy to navigate, making it accessible even for educators that are not well versed with media. Google Form is one of Google's useful tools that are used by people with varying roles in society. Its broad and accessible nature allows for it to be flexible in different contexts, proving itself to be useful in various ways. For example, within the academe, Google Form can be used to conduct quizzes. It is easy to utilize and control, making it efficient for its users. It also provides immediate feedback if set, which is useful when conducting assessments to improve students' learning experience. As future educators, it is important that we are aware of various tools that we can utilize in order to deliver our lessons effectively to our students. But it is not just limited to that, since there are also tools that we can use when making quizzes, assessments, or even interacting with our class. With these tools, we can even more energize the class and use or deliver our lessons effectively for our students.
Quizlet is an online learning platform that allows users to create and share study set, flashcards, and tests to help students learn and retain information. With Quizlet, users can access a vast library of study materials, create customized study plans, and track progress, all in one convenient place. Quizlet features include flashcards, tests, and study games, making learning fun and engaging. Users can also collaborate with classmates and teachers, sharing study materials and learning from one another. Overall, Quizlet is a powerful tool in reinforcing knowledge, assessing, and understanding. Digital Padlet is a bulletin board that enables users to create virtual walls where they can share ideas, collaborate with others, and showcase work. Users can add text, images, videos, and links to their Padlet walls, making it an excellent platform for brainstorming, group projects, and class discussion. Padlet's interface is intuitive and friendly user, allowing users to easily customize their walls and share with others. Padlet is a great tool for fostering creativity, organization, and engagement, making it perfect for classroom, team project, and community building. With Padlet, users can create a digital space that is both interactive and collaborative, promoting sharing and learning. Exploring the various digital tools and apps for assessment has broadened my understanding of the possibilities for enhancing student learning. The range of tools available, from creating quizzes and polls to brainstorming and collaboration, is impressive, and it offers numerous opportunities for engaging students. Tools like Quizlet, Kahoot, and Proofs make it easy to create interactive quizzes, while Padlet and Kaggle facilitate collaboration and mind mapping.
Kahoot is an online game-based learning platform used for quizzes and interactive activities. It allows teachers to create a question that students answer in real time using their devices. The platforms use bright color, music, and timers to make the learning exciting. It helps to increase students' engagement and make the lesson more enjoyable. Google is an online mapping tool that helps the user to organize ideas visually. It allows you to create diagrams that show the connection between the concepts. The interface is simple, making it easy to build and edit the maps. It supports the brainstorming, planning, and explaining the information clearly. The tool that I use is Kahoot and Google. Based on my opinion and observation about those tools is using Kahoot helps make learn enjoyable and keep the students motivated. It encourage the participation and make reviewing lesson more exciting, while using a Google make complex topics easier to understand because its ideas are shown in a simple visual form. It's also help to improve planning and brainstorming.
Mentimeter is an interactive presentation and audience engagement tool that lets presenter create flip poll, quiz, word clouds, and Q&A and survey to get real-time feedback and participation from audience in classroom, meeting, or events. BrainPop is an engaging educational platform using short animated movie featuring characters, theme, and movie and interactive activities to teach students core subjects like science, math, reading, and social studies.
Show Me Interactive Whiteboard is a simple yet powerful digital tool that allows teachers and students to create, share, and explain ideas in a visual way. It works just like a real whiteboard, but with more helpful features such as drawing tools, voice recording, and the ability to add images or text. This makes it easier for teachers to check students' understanding in real time. Exploring these digital tools helped me realize how digital tools can make assessment and learning engaging and more meaningful, especially just like in Wordables and Whiteboard. Although they are realistic, especially the Whiteboard, but they have more features that are not available when it comes to literal whiteboard. So yeah.
Quizzes, now called Wayground, is an easy-to-use interactive learning tool that makes quizzes fun and engaging. It guides teachers in designing quizzes and even allows students to create the questions, making learning more collaborative. It is game-like format, instant feedback, and colorful design. Wayground turns reviews and lessons into exciting activities. It's a simple but effective way to make learning more active, enjoyable, and meaningful for students. Word art is a creative tool that turns words. Word art is a creative tool that turns words into eye-catching word clouds. You can customize shapes, colors, and layouts to make your work visually appealing. What makes it unique is that each word can be turned into an active link that connects to websites or YouTube videos. This makes word art both artistic and interactive, perfect for school projects, presentations, and digital content.
Exploring the different digital tools for assessment really opened my eyes to how technology can improve learning and teaching. Like creating quizzes, making mind maps, and designing presentations, and even generating word clouds showed me how each tool has its own purpose to keeping the students engaged. I also learned how real-time feedback apps can help teachers to understand students' needs quickly. And overall, this activity helped me to appreciate how digital tools can make assessment more creative, interactive, and meaningful for both learners and educators.
Formative is an interactive digital assessment tool that allows teachers to gather real-life data on student learning. With Formative, teachers can create quizzes, surveys, exit tickets, and performance tasks that students answer using any device. Its biggest strength is instant feedback. Teachers can watch students' responses as they type and immediately address misconceptions. The app also supports images, videos, math equations, and even student drawings. Formative automatically tracks progress and generates analytics that shows mastery levels and learning gaps. Because activities can be assigned live or synchronously and supports flexible learning environments. Overall, Formative helps teachers monitor understanding continuously, making assessment faster, more engaging, and more responsive to students' needs. Equity Maps is a classroom discussion tracking app designed to promote inclusive and balanced participation. As a discussion happens, the teacher taps each student's icon to record who speaks, how often, and for how long. The app visually maps the flow of conversations, creating diagrams and statistics that reveals patterns such as who dominates the talk, who is quiet, and whether gender participation is balanced. It also includes indicators for active listening, small groups, dynamics, and whole class interaction. After discussion, Equity Maps generates instant feedback that teachers and students can review together, supporting reflection and goal setting by making participation visible and measurable. And the app helps build a more equitable classroom environment where every student's voice is valued. Formative and Equity Maps has helped me better understand both student learning and classroom participations. Formative gives real-time feedback that lets me immediately identify misconceptions and adjust my instruction. Meanwhile, Equity Maps makes discussion patterns visible, showing who participates and who needs more support. Together, these tools remind me to be more responsive, data-driven, and inclusive, ensuring every learner has an active voice and equal opportunity to succeed.